Everyone is talking about the summer morning routine, and honestly, it is all marketing. There is no summer routine, there is no winter routine, there is just a morning routine. The habits that make you look better and feel sharper work in July the same way they work in January. Summer just gives you a deadline, and deadlines make people finally act. Here is the routine that works all year. Stay until the end. The last habit is the one nobody talks about and the one that changes everything. Part 1. Morning habits that are hurting you. Most people have a morning routine, they just don't realize it is working against them. Checking your phone the second you wake up? Your brain in the first 30 minutes of waking is in a highly suggestible state. Whatever you feed it first sets the tone for your entire day. Notifications, bad news, social media, immediate cortisol spike before you have done a single thing. You start the day reactive and already behind in your own head. Phone stays down for the first 30 minutes. That is not a suggestion, that is a rule. Skipping water first thing. You just spent 7 to 9 hours without water. Dehydrated brain, slow energy, dry skin, and the first thing most people reach for is coffee, which dehydrates you further. 500 milliliters of water before anything else, before coffee, before food, before your phone. This one change improves your energy and skin clarity within days. The long, hot shower. Hot showers strip your skin of its natural oils and leave you relaxed when you need to feel sharp. Finish cold, even 30 seconds. Closes your pores, improves circulation, and triggers an adrenaline response no coffee can replicate. Most people know this and still don't do it. That is exactly why it works. The truth about morning routines. Most people fail not because of lack of information, but because they try to change everything at once. 0 to a 2-hour protocol by day 1, collapsed by day 4. The routine below takes 30 minutes. That's it. Part 2. The correct morning routine. Same wake time every day, not just weekdays, every day. Your circadian rhythm controls cortisol, testosterone, sleep quality, and skin repair. Inconsistent wake times break all of it. Pick a time, lock it in. Water immediately, 500 milliliters before anything else. Bottle on the nightstand, 0 friction, highest return on effort of anything on this list. 10 minutes of morning sunlight. Step outside within the first 30 minutes of waking. Stops melatonin production, resets your cortisol rhythm, kickstarts testosterone, improves mood faster than any supplement. Free, effortless, almost nobody does it consistently. Move your body. 10 to 15 minutes. Push-ups, a walk, stretching, gets blood moving and wakes your nervous system up properly. Does not have to be intense, just has to happen. Protein first. Eggs, Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, stabilizes blood sugar, keeps you full, gives your body the material it needs after a night of repair. Sugar and processed carbs first thing, spike and crash every time. 5 minutes of silence before the phone. This is the last habit, the one I promised. Before any app or notification, sit for 5 minutes with nothing. No music, no input, just your own thoughts. Deeply uncomfortable the first week. Push through it. By week 2, it becomes the part of your morning you protect the most. Sharper focus, clearer decisions. Your entire day shifts because of 5 minutes of silence. 2 weeks of this and something shifts. You stop feeling like you are catching up. You start feeling like you are already ahead before most people have opened their eyes. Same wake time, water, sunlight, movement, protein, silence. Simple, unglamorous, completely transformative. The protagonist does not stumble into his day. He owns it from the first minute. Summer or winter, the season does not matter. The only thing that matters is whether you start. That decision is right now.